Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the KOVOL charging mate. This is a GaN fast 120 watt power delivery charger. It has 4 ports, 2 Usb-C, 2 USB-A. Here's some charging information on the back. You can pause the video and take a look at the details there. What we like about this is it comes with a charging cord for the wall. So you plug this in the wall and you can extend it out. Most of them are just plugged right into the wall. This one has it where you can extend it onto a table or next to a chair if you need to. So you get your 4 ports here, 2 USB-Cs, 100 watts. Here's some other information about it. You can pause the video and take a look. But what we like about it has quick charge and power delivery in one box, and you can get it now on Amazon. This is KOVOL Charging Mate.